Assalamualaikum to my beyond excellent lecturer, Dr. Maslina. My name is HAZIQ Daniel bin ROSSLI and my metric number is 196274. Today, I would like to do demo on my project which is Courier Delivery Service Tipping. Basically, I will create a Java program which model how to choose tip for a courier delivery service. When do some tipping, I will consider the condition of item and parcel delivery time rate between 0 and 10. I use this to leave a tip of between 0 and 25%. Based on my Java program here, I already set the variable condition of item and also a parcel delivery time, and for the output is tip. My system have 9 rule, but today I will do 3 of 9 rule. Okay, first of all, let's say for variable condition of item we set into egg, which is represent for amazing, and parcel delivery time is 10, represent for fast. So based on our rule here, if condition of item is amazing and parcel delivery time is fast, then tip is high. So we try to run here Java program, and then here we go. So we get a tip is 20%, which is represent for high. Next, I will set the condition of item into 2, represent for poor, and parcel delivery time is 10, represent for fast. So based on my system rule, the condition of item poor and the parcel delivery time is fast, then the tip is low. So we try to run this Java program. Awesome. So we get the tip is 4.16, which is represent for low tip. And lastly, I will try to set the condition of item into 5, which is represent for acceptable, and parcel delivery time is 6, represent for moderate. So based on my Java program rule here, if the condition of item is acceptable and parcel delivery time is moderate, then the tip is medium. So we try to run here. Beautiful. So here we get the tip is 11.33, which is represent the tip is medium. I think that's all from me. Thank you.